Actiq is a powerful prescription medication that contains fentanyl citrate as its active substance. It belongs to the opioid analgesics class of drugs and is available in the form of a lozenge on a handle, lollipop-like. Indications. Actiq is primarily indicated for the management of severe pain in patients who are already tolerant to opioid therapy. It is generally used for cancer-related pain or other chronic pain conditions requiring strong pain relief. How to use. Actiq is administered transmucosally, meaning it is absorbed through the mucous membranes in the mouth. It is not meant to be swallowed. The dosage of Actiq is individualized based on the patient's opioid tolerance and pain management needs. Actiq comes in various strengths, including 200, 400, 600, 800, 1200, and 1600 micrograms of fentanyl. Your doctor will determine the appropriate strength and frequency of Actiq lozenges for your pain relief. Contraindications. Don't use Actiq if you are not already opioid tolerant. Use in non-tolerant patients can lead to serious or life-threatening brain problems. You are allergic to fentanyl or any of the components in Actiq. You have severe breathing problems or a history of severe lung conditions. Precautions. Actiq is a potent medication and should only be used under the supervision of a qualified healthcare provider who is experienced in the use of opioids for pain management. It is important to carefully follow a doctor's instructions for how to use Actiq properly. Actiq should be kept out of reach of children and should not be shared with anyone else, even if they have a similar condition. Side effects. Common side effects of Actiq may include but are not limited to nausea, vomiting, drowsiness, constipation, dry mouth. Serious side effects can include slow or shallow breathing, severe drowsiness or confusion, difficulty waking up or staying awake, fainting or feeling lightheaded. If you experience any severe or unusual side effects, seek medical attention immediately.